Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 235 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Beautique Eternaline Liquid Eyeliner. And I have this in the shade Black, and this is actually from Sally Beauty Supply. It's been so long, I feel like, since I've tried out a Sally Beauty product. I'm actually wearing today the Femme Couture Rose All Day Foundation, which I love. Like, this foundation just blows my mind. Every time I wear it, I just think it looks so perfect and beautiful on the skin. But so Beautique is another brand that I find at Sally Beauty Supply, and I'm honestly not too sure if I'm a fan of this brand, so we're gonna find out today if I like it and if I like this liquid eyeliner. I'm definitely picky about liquid eyeliners, and I'm not the type of person that wears a liquid eyeliner every day, so if it's not easy to work with, then it's going to be hard for me. Wait, which way is, I don't even know which way is the, oh, okay. I almost just opened this upside down. It was hard to tell. Okay, so the longer side is the handle, and there's way less product in here than it seems. I guess I was expecting this to be like a marker type of liquid eyeliner, but this does seem to be the type of very pointy, flexible brush applicator that I prefer. Let's go ahead and see how this swatches and how it writes. Ooh, that's actually very nice and precise. And it is a true, fully black. Okay, so far we're off to a good start. Let's go ahead and apply it to my upper lash line. Wow, I can get such a skinny line from this. I really appreciate that precision for a liquid eyeliner because I feel like a lot of liquid eyeliners can only make like such thick, messy lines, but no, this is really nice. Oh my gosh, you can get the sharpest, most precise wing with this. Okay, remember when I said I wasn't the type of person that wears a liquid eyeliner every day? This makes me want to wear a beautiful black winged eyeliner every day because I am so impressed with this product and how easily I was able to get such a sharp, precise, neat winged eyeliner look. And I'm like so shocked right now because I struggle with winged eyeliner, and I did not struggle at all with this product here. Like, look at how dark and true black this is, and I'm just like, the difference in my eyes right now, this eye just looks so glamorous and dramatic. I love it. My only kind of downside about this product is that it does not come with very much, and I want this to last me forever. Like, this is such a great eyeliner, and I had never really even heard of this before, and I am such a fan. Now, I'm not gonna go ahead and do my other eye on camera for this video because since my eyeliner skills are not the best, I'm pretty sure I would not be able to match these wings up perfectly, so I'm not even gonna try to do it on camera. But what really matters is just reviewing this product and how it looks. I also want to mention that this is so not messy. Like, it did not get onto my eyelid at all, and that always happens to me when I'm applying liquid eyeliner. Now let's see how long wearing it is. Oh my gosh, no smudging, no fading. Yay, wow, so this is gonna be able to last all day long. I don't have to worry at all about it getting smudged if I accidentally touch my eye. Wow, this is so great. An all-around perfect liquid eyeliner in my opinion. I was not expecting to love this product nearly as much as I do. I was kind of expecting this to turn into a fail because that's how a lot of my liquid eyeliner videos turn into. But no, this is a huge success. Yeah, so if you love liquid eyeliner, definitely check out the Beautique Eternaline Liquid Eyeliner from Sally Beauty Supply. This is definitely going to become an eyeliner that I use very often. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.